Hi, this is Anandip Madhav. I have come up with another video. This time it will be the showcasing of Independence Day, 78th Independence Day in Bagajotin High School, Boys High School. The same high school changed to primary high school, Prathmik Vidyalaya, during the morning shift, and in general shift it is high school for boys. Adjacent to high school there is high school for girls also, but it is not connected. So both the high schools are not integrated in nature. So you cannot come from, go to the high school for girls from high school for boys. So that's the problem. Rest everything is fine, and it's a very old high school for boys. It is established, in fact, established is 1950. So this is 2024. You can imagine it's like 74 years have been passed. So just after independence in 1947, almost 3 to 4 years, this is high school, Jadupur Bagajotin High School, Uchcho Bandhavik, so have been established. Very old school. So today independence celebration has been conducted. Today is 70th Independence Day. So I'll show you the video, so stay tuned. So this is the overview of, in fact, the glimpse of the Bagajotin High School. This reminds me of my IIT Madras Mandakini hostel. Only the difference is that it is completely surrounded and surrounded by buildings, barricaded by 4 3-storied buildings. So this is only, I think, 1, 2, 3. This is also 3-storied building. So this is Bagajotin High School for boys, and this is Bagajotin Hall auditorium. You can say so, very big auditorium. You can go, you can celebrate your school curriculum activities as well as external events like marriage ceremonies and all. So very nicely built. I had the opportunity of watching a Mandrik magic show in 1993 or 1994. It was an amazing experience. So far, this sort of events are not being conducted thereafter. So now only I think it is being used for marriage ceremony purpose or school activities purpose. So this is a big high school. Even primary school students, actually, as I have already told, happens in the morning shift around 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. So today is Independence Day. Everybody is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose portrait has been put on the table, and along with that, I think flag hosting activity will be happening, and thereafter some sweets as such, I think. So that's it. I just got up in the morning and watched the Indian Oil ceremony in projector, then Prime Minister's Independence Day ceremony, and then I just came out from my home. My home is just nearer to, in fact, just attached to my, the high school is attached to my my home, Madhuvila. So that's it. I think this much will be enough. Very soon they will be hosting the flag. Let's see when they are going to host it. The moment they will host it, I will just take the video, and everything will be uploaded in the YouTube in the name of Ronnie's Identity. Channel name is Ronnie's Identity in YouTube channel. Please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more updates and videos. So they are going for plantation ceremony. Bikoropan is a tree plantation. So they are doing the Bikoropan activity. The Scouts and Guides is also there for celebrating the Independence Day function. In a few minutes is going to be initiated, so let's wait. So this is Bagajotin Uchcho Vidyalaya Balok Sthapito 1950. So this is a very big gate. Wow. Platinum Jubilee হচ্ছে. So it's a very big gate. The main gate is very big. So this is Raipur Road. So connecting Raipur Road, there is Bagajutin Uchcho Vidyalaya, Bagajutin High School. So this is it. Independence Day celebration is going to be conducted. This is a big hall, Bagajutin Public Hall, Bagajutin Refugee Association, whatever is written. So in this hall, marriage ceremony or reception or school activities can be conducted, or some events in the form of magic. I watched this magic show in 1993 or thereafter. So this is NCC cadets, or they are going to celebrate this. The big hall is there. So Independence Celebration 78th Independence Celebration. This very big school, high school, very big, 3-storied building. That's it. And just opposite to main gate, there is another small gate. That gate leads to my home Madhuvilla. Absolutely connected with my home Madhuvilla, this high school, Bagajutin High School. So that's it. I think yes, they have put the flag. About to be hosted. Stay tuned. So March past activity is going to be started. They will carry the flag and then they will put the flag near the bar post, or may tie the flag around the bar post, and then flag hosting activity will be done. Already flag has been wrapped around the bar post. So let's see how far they are going to. So March past is going to be started.
जय सिमन स्पोर्ट बेंगल डेडिकेटेड स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ से आपके सामने हाजिर अब कुछ के कदम में ले जाने के लिए आपका आगे रहता हूं सिमन। जय सिमन।
পতাকা উত্তোলন করবো। প্রকাশ বাবু একটু ড্রামটা বাজাতে বলবেন, ছেলেদের এখানে চলে আসতে বলুন। ড্রামটা নিয়ে ছেলেদের এখানে চলে আসতে বলুন। এদিকে চলে আসো, ড্রামটা নিয়ে এদিকে চলে আসো তোমরা। ড্রামটা নিয়ে চলে আসো। তারপরে বলা হচ্ছে ড্রামটা নিয়ে চলে আসো এদিকে। সরকার মহাশয়।
So you have seen the flag hosting. So that's all. Wish you a happy 78th Independence Day.
মাল্যদান করছেন।
So this is Bagajatin High School's back gate, a very small gate. The bigger gate I have shown. So this is Madhuvila, just adjacent to Bagajatin High School back gate. So this is Madhuvila. So Independence celebration, 70th Independence celebration is over. Flag hosting has been conducted successfully, and so that's all. I wish you a happy once again 70th Independence Day. Jai Hind. Bye.